Interview question and answer for freshers. Total 70 question and answers. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. I divided this interview question and answers into 6 categories. First, about yourself. 10 questions and answers. Second, about education. 5 questions and answers. Third, about the job. 12 questions and answers. Fourth, behavioral or situation. 10 questions and answers. Fifth, ending question. 5 questions and answers. Sixth, other but important. 28 questions and answers. Total 70 questions and answers. First category, about yourself. 10 questions and answers. Question number 1. Tell me about yourself, or describe who you are, or tell me about your background. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pankaj Soni and I am from Delhi. I have completed my senior secondary education from CBSE board and now I am pursuing graduation. My strength is I am self-motivated and I am always try to give my 100% to my work, and my weakness is I easily trust on others. My hobbies are like to playing cricket, football and reading books. About my family background, there are 6 members in my family. My father is a government employee and my mother is a homemaker. My elder brother is doing private job and 3 sisters are got married. Question number 2. What are your strengths, strong point and weakness? Sir, my strength is that I am a hardworking person and very honest about my work. My weakness is that I don't feel comfortable until I finish my work. Question number 3. What is your hobby? My hobbies are playing cricket, watching motivational videos, reading books and traveling. Question number 4. What are your future goals, short term and long term? My short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company like yours, and my long term goal is to reach the highest position in a reputed company. Question number 5. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? After 5 years, I want to see myself a reputed position in the company where I can take good decision in favor of company, and I am also looking for long-term relationship. Question number 6. Tell me about your skill. I have good computer knowledge in which I can work very well at Windows, MS Office, Internet, and I have good communication skills with English language. Question number 7. Who has inspired you in your life and why? My father and mother are my inspiration because they helped me for my growth and my career. They always stand with me in bad and good time. Question number 8. Do you have any serious medical issue? No. Not. If you have serious disease, you can speak or you can tell. Question number 9. Have you considered starting your own business? At this moment, I don't think because I don't have enough experience, but in future it might to be. Question number 10. What are your career options right now? Sir or ma'am, I am a fresher, so I want to improve my knowledge and skills. I want to work in a reputed company like yours. Second category, about education. 5 question and answer. Question number 1. What is your qualification of education? I did my schooling from ABC School in Air. I graduated with Bachelor of Science in Air from XYZ University or college. During my school time, I did a computer course and I know how to work on MS Office like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, etc. I also have good knowledge of Internet. Question number 2. Are not you overqualified for this position? No sir or no ma'am. I believe that I am still a good learner. I want to learn work. This is the right time to start my career. So I don't consider myself overqualified. Question number 3. Don't you think it's too early? Sir, I have completed my 12th class and now I'm pursuing graduation. This is the right time to start my career because I want to be independent and I want to support my family financially. Question number 4. Do you have any planning for future like MBA? Not right now. Firstly, I want to take some professional experience, then I will go for higher education. Question number 5. You have not done your postgraduate yet. This is not a drawback, but don't you think you should get a PG degree as soon as possible? Having a PG degree is important, but I don't think it is mandatory. As soon as I graduated, I felt the urge to starting working in the real world. And I am hoping that my track record or my education will help me get selected for this position in your esteemed organization. Third category, about the job. 12 question and answer. Question number 1. Who referred you to this position or job or company? Sir, ma'am, my friend works in your company. He told me about this post. His name is Ravi. He works in the HR department of your company. Question number 2. Why should I hire you? Or, if I hire you, what will you do for this company? Sir, I think that I am the suitable person you are looking for because I have qualities that I can benefit the company. I am a very hardworking and honest person. I will give you the best result among all employees. Question number 3. How long would you expect to work for us if hired? Or, how long do you think you will work for us after we hire you? I will work with your company as long as my presence benefits both the company and me. Question number 4. Are you applying for other jobs? Or do you have any other offers? No, this is the first interview of my life. Question number 5. What are your dream job? My dream job is to work with a top multinational company having a global presence with a good working environment. I think your company is perfect for fulfilling my dreams. Question number 6. How did you hear about this position? I was searching for a job and I saw your job article on Naukri.com. I felt that I qualified to fulfill the position, so I decided that I should apply here. Question number 7. Why do you looking for this job? because I want to be independent and enhance my professional growth. I know that this is very good environment for me to develop skills, get experience and knowledge. Question number 8. Do any of your partners work in this company? Or do you know anyone who works for us? No sir. Or yes sir. His name is, he works in the account department and he is my friend or uncle. Question number 9. Why do you want to work at our company? Or why do you want to join this company? Because this is the best platform to start my career as a fresher, and it will be helpful for my personal and professional growth. I know that this company has a very good environment for me to develop skills, knowledge and gain experience. Question number 10. What type or kind of work environment do you prefer or expect? Describe your ideal company, location and job. What is your ideal work? I am not just looking to fill a position. I am looking for a career. Therefore, my first priority is to get a job and experience. I hear that your company encourages solo and group efforts. So I believe that this is the perfect environment for me. Question number 11. What did you hear about us? Or what do you know about us? Or tell me something about our company. I have heard that ABC company has a great working environment and is a place where brilliant employees are rewarded. They provide more opportunity to learn and develop our skills and experience. There is a very good scope here in the future. So I want to work with your company. Question number 12. Explain how would be an asset to this organization or company. I will do my work with full of dedication and accurately. I will try hard to complete the work within the time limit given to me. Fourth category. Behavioral situation. 10 questions and answers. Question number 1. How would you overcome a difficult situation? I will try to understand that situation with a calm mind. If I still have trouble understanding that situation, I will take help of my superior or senior. After understanding that situation very well, I will do that work. In this way, I will rectify my problems. Question number 2. How well do you handle stress or pressure? When dealing with pressure and stress, I take a moment to prioritize what I have going on. I analyze the situation and take action that will avoid negative stress. Question number 3. Can you work under pressure? Yes, I can work under pressure because pressure teaches how to handle the work pressure, and it also improves the skills, ability and confidence. Question number 4. Would you lie for the company? Yes sir, it depends on the situation and the person, but it should not have a serious effect on anyone because lies cannot be hidden for a long time. Question number 5. Are you willing to relocate or travel? Or would you be willing to travel or relocate for the job? Yes, I am willing to relocate or travel. because it's a great opportunity to work with different kinds of people and it explores knowledge. Question number 6. Will you be comfortable working in different shifts? Or are you comfortable with late night and weekend shift? Or how do you feel about working night and weekend? Sir, I am a fresher and energetic. There is no problem for me to work at night and weekend. That is also good for me to learn more things early. I am ready to work as per company requirement. Question number 7. Are you a good person? Yes, I consider myself a good person. I help my colleagues and juniors all the time. Question number 8. Have you ever made a mistake? How did you handle it? Yes, I have made many mistakes before, but I have learned something from all my mistakes. Now I understand any work first, and only after that I do that work, where there is no scope of mistake. Question number 9. Are you an organized person? Yes, I am very organized. I always keep all my documents, certificates correctly. Question number 10. If you won $10 million lottery, would you still work? Of course, sir. The lottery is my luck. It doesn't mean that my luck can rule my life. Fifth category. Ending question. 5 question and answer. Question number 1. When can you start? If it is convenient for you, I can start immediately or I can start now. Question number 2. Are you ready to sign a bond? Yes, sir. Don't worry, HR will only check your stability in his company. Question number 3. What is your expected salary? Or how much salary do you expect? As I am fresher, my first salary does not matter. My first priority is to get a job and get experience. So whatever company norms and guidelines about the salary, I accept. Question number 4. Do you have any question for me? No, sir. Or no, ma'am. Thank you. Or thank you, sir, madam, for giving this opportunity to ask a question. Sincerely, I have one question that what are the skills I need to improve before joining your company? Question number 5. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate me as an interviewer. Sir, I think I am not the right person who can judge you. You have the best quality, that's why you are here. But as you are instructing me to rate, I would rate you 10 of 10. Sixth category. Other but important. 28 question and answers. Question number 1. What are your biggest achievement or accomplishment? My greatest achievement was completion my bachelor degree. I had no financial support from my family. At that time, I taught tuition to people. I earned money from my tuition and completed my studies and got a degree. I am proud of this accomplishment and I feel that what I learned is going to give me a big advantage in my career now. Question number 2. What is your greatest failure in life? My biggest failure is probably that I have become a disappointed to my father. And he does not care how hard I work. But I will not give up. I will work hard and prove myself. One day my father will be proud of me. Question number 3. What is your greatest fear? I am most afraid to talk in front of a large crowd. To deal with my anxiety, I took some public speaking classes. The practice helped me a lot. Now I can talk in groups or one by one. Question number 4. What is the difference between confidence and overconfidence? Confidence is like self-respect, and overconfidence is like criticizing others. Question number 5. What difference between hard work and smart work? Hard work uses physical strength and take more time. Smart work uses mental power and take less time. Question number 6. What is the difference between group and team? A group consists of 2 or more individuals who share similar interests or characteristics, and its members identify with each other because of similar traits. A team is a group of people with different skills and different tasks, who combine their tasks and work on a common project service. Question number 7. What motivates you? Positive thoughts and desires to become a successful person always motivates me. Question number 8. What motivates you to do good job? Learning from my failure, which boosts me a lot of confidence to grow in life. Challenges and aims motivates me to do a good job. Question number 9. How would your best friend describe you? I like to build a strong professional relationship with my teammates. Most of them have become great friends. I think my best friend would say that I am very responsible. The rest is up to you to find out. Question number 10. What did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge? This year, I increased my knowledge by reading 1 book per month. I read 12 books from time to time, including industries, personal development, politics and history. I have also improved my English speaking. Question number 11. What have you heard about our company that you didn't like? From my research, I didn't find anything which I disliked. This company provides a great environment and benefit to the employee. So I am very excited to have this opportunity to work here. Question number 12. What are the 3 things that are most important for you in a job? The top 3 things that I hold most important in a job are transparency, honesty, and positivity. Question number 13. Give me an example of your creativity. Creativity means presenting new ideas and new innovation with big result. Question number 14. What does failure mean to you? To me, failures mean to have a goal and doing nothing about it. This is called failure. Question number 15. What does success mean to you? To me, success means achieving the goal. First of all, planning to achieve the goal, implementing the plan, and finally achieving the goal. Question number 16. How do you define success and how do you measure up to your own definition? According to me, success is not a destination. Success is a journey. Question number 17. What was the toughest decision you ever had to make? Sir, choosing a career in this competitive environment. Question number 18. Do you manage your time well? Yes, I know that how to manage my time. Question number 19. How do you make important decisions? I make important decisions by examining all the details, then I do my work. Question number 20. Can you describe your time management skill? I have never been late to do any work because I do my work on time. Question number 21. If you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why? I would like to be more of a risk taker. I always do my work and complete it at an exceptional level. Sometimes taking a risk can make the work even better, but taking a risk will not harm anyone. Question number 22. Are you a risk taker? Or are you open to take risks? Or do you like to stay from risk? Or do you like to take risk? Yes, I take a risk, but it does no harm to anyone. First, I understand the work. After that, I do that work. Question number 23. What makes you angry? I get angry when someone disturbing me while I am doing any work. Question number 24. How quickly do you adapt to new technology? I can adapt quickly to new circumstances. I have a great track record of my adapting to new technologies. I feel I have the capacity to learn fast and apply my new knowledge. Question number 25. Do you have any regret, or what do you always regret? Personally, I don't have any great regrets about my career so far, but I try to avoid regrets. If there is a mistake, I try to learn something from that mistake and improve it. Question number 26. Are you reliable, or can I trust you with responsibility? Yes, I am a reliable person. If a task assigned to me, I do that work within the given time. Question number 27. What are your outside interests? My outside interests are spending time with close friends because friends are most important in my life. Question number 28. What are you most proud of? When I get a job in your company because I want to start my career with your company. It will be my proudest achievement, but that moment is still pending. Thank you for watching.